I'm back with another video, and I know it's been a minute since I've been on here. I have a lot of old review videos that I do need to edit and upload, and maybe I'll get that done. I had mostly been posting content on my T-shirt chick channel, but now I'm about to be back posting here. So today I'm gonna be unboxing the Action 2 by DJI. It's a very small, tiny camera, but those y'all checking out this video, y'all probably already know what it is. But the reason that I purchased this camera is for a new YouTube channel that I'm gonna be, that I'm gonna be starting up real soon, called Watch Me Work. And I just needed something that was very small, that had decent video quality, and you know, something just really just not noticeable. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it and let you guys see everything that comes with it. Now, I also have some other things included in this box, but we're just gonna do the main event. So right here, here's the camera right here. And y'all, this is very small. This is so small. Let me see if I can I'm gonna get my yardstick. If a regular size ruler would work, but I'm gonna get something just so I can show y'all how small this is. Look at this yardstick, y'all. This box is about not even quite 7 inches, maybe about 6.5 inches or a little more long. And I mean, it is just so thin. It's such a thin box. It really does not take up much space. So we're gonna go ahead and open this thing up, and I'm gonna let you guys check it out with me. And I purchased this from Amazon, y'all. I will try to leave a link. I'm a person that don't like to damage my boxes and stuff when I open them. So, you know, I gotta try to find a way to open it without damaging anything. I don't know, I've just always been like that. Okay, so we got the plastic seal off of it. And that's what the front of the box is looking like. The side of the box. And it's got an app for it. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and I think we just lift this one up if I can. Let me see. How do I do that? I don't know, I'm just trying to open it with the least amount of damage on the box. Oh, okay. I see it's tape sealed right there. It says open right here. Okay. So it says open right here. And I'm trying to open it without damaging the box. Okay, you just gotta stick your fingertips down off in there. Okay, so right here, as you see, it's got the accessories on this side right here, and it's got the actual camera over here. So we're gonna first slide out these accessories, and it's got a little, I don't know if y'all can see that little tab on there. We're just gonna grab it by the tab and slide it out. Okay, and right here, you can see on the box, right there that that's the neck strap. Okay, so right here, we're gonna just go ahead, open that up and check it out. This is the neck strap. Man, this thing is tiny. The neck strap right here, it's magnetic. You can place it around your neck. So we're just gonna place that right here. See what the next item is. Okay, we got the USB cable right here. It's a USB-A to USB-C cable right here. And quick note, as we see this regular USB-C cable right here, you are not to use a fast charging USB with this. Do not use a fast charging USB with this. You will damage it. I saw it in another video as I was doing my research. So let's get back to the unboxing. Okay, so the next thing we have, we pulled two things out. I'm gonna go ahead and open the small one first. So it comes with the little GoPro. Man, this is so small. The camera sits right on top of this, and it's like a little GoPro thing at the bottom so that you can use it with all the GoPro accessories. This is actually an action camera, but I'm not going to be using it as an action camera. I'm going to be using it for vlogging. Let's see what else we have. Okay, so right here, this is the headband. The camera sits right on here, and you can put this around your head. And this will go around your head so you can film. Maybe if you're going on a run or something, that's what this would be for. Okay, so that's all that's in this little box. That's everything that's in the accessories box. So we're gonna move everything over to the side, and we're gonna get to the main event. Up next is the main event right here. We're just gonna slide that out, and we're going to pop the box open, and I'm just gonna pour it into my hand. Let me see what we have first. Okay, right here we have, let me open it up and make sure I'm saying the right thing. I'm at my t-shirt shop right now, but I'm just getting back started doing the reviews for this channel, so we will upgrade as needed. Okay, so right here, this is it the case? This is the case for the top one right here. Very tiny, y'all, very tiny. That's the case for the camera. And right here, we're gonna go ahead and pull it out. This is, I'm not sure if this is actually the camera or the screen. I'm thinking this is gonna be the screen right here. Yeah, this is gonna be the screen because I know the camera has a record button right on the top, and this one does not have a record button. So yeah, so it goes into, and I don't even know, do you just slide it in like that? Maybe slide it in from the top. I'm not exactly sure. Okay, this may, we're gonna figure it out, y'all. We're gonna figure it out. This is we just gonna sit it right here to the side while we open up the rest of it, because I'm not a real technical review person. I'm just a regular person. I'm just a review chick. Okay, right here we do have the instruction manual right here. We're gonna take a look at that a little bit later in our free time. So right here, we're gonna go ahead and open this up. And as y'all know, I be trying to not, I don't know, I've always been like that. I don't like to tear the packaging up real bad. I like to keep the packaging. I have things I purchased years ago and I still have the packaging for it. Okay, so right here, this is the camera. I gotta figure out how to get that thing in there. What's the easiest way? So it's got a little tab. We're just gonna peel this tab off. And here's the camera right here with the button on top. So I also have some accessories for this. When I purchase things, I don't like to use it without, you know, like if I buy a new phone or whatever, I want to put that screen protector on it before I ever do anything with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and find the screen protector and stuff in this other box, and then I'm gonna go ahead and pull that up here and unbox that and go ahead and apply it, and then we're going to jump back into the unboxing. This is just a little cheap screen protector for the Action 2. So I'm just going to cut that off so that I can open it up. And it comes with your wipes and everything. And usually I would do stuff in a different video. I do have some other accessories that I purchased for this. Y'all have to check back for another video with that. But I'm gonna go ahead and apply this screen protector. and then we can fool around with the camera a little bit. Okay, so I'm thinking, well, I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Okay, so we have the round, that's the round one right there. Okay, what is this? This is missing. Oh, never mind, it's in there. It's moved over to the side, my bad. And I'm thinking all of these, because they are not labeled, I'm thinking that all of these are gonna be the same size. So let me just move the rest of this stuff out of the way. Okay, so, all right, so we're gonna first apply the round one to the front of the camera lens. So we're gonna go ahead and take that off right there. And it shouldn't need any cleaning off since we just opened the pack. We'll go ahead and slide the round lens off. I think I'm gonna peel one side off. We're going to peel off the mask. Then we're going to lay the sticker down. Lay this down and make sure that it's lined up first. Hopefully it's lined up perfectly. I'm trying to get the air bubble out. You can use the wipes. Let me see, the dry wipe. We'll use the dry wipe to try to make sure that we get all the air out. Let me see if I can get it out. Okay, so the dry wipe, we're just gonna rub it around just to make sure that we are getting all the air bubbles out. Okay, it's going on. Okay, it got it. So that is that one. And now that we have that done, we're gonna put the one on the back. So we're gonna go ahead and grab one of the back ones. Then we're gonna peel off the back. Peel the backing off. Gotta slide that up. Before you press it down, you want to make sure that you have it lined up. That one, it kind of did on its own. All right. So we got that one on there. Go on out to the edge. Okay. So we have that one with the screen protector on it. So you can see right there. The screen protector. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and try to get it in its case. I guess we just kind of slide it in there. Yeah, it's going in there. Okay, it's in there, and it just turned on for the first time. I wasn't ready for it to turn on yet, so I'm gonna just turn it off. I'm gonna just turn it off. Okay, so with this one, all we have is one screen on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this one out. Go ahead and take that screen off. I think it needs to go up a little bit. Needs to go up some. No, it's not ready to lay down yet. Okay, for some reason this one is a little harder to line up. Maybe because everything else went so smoothly. Okay, now this one is it's doing on its own. It's really just doing on its own. And then I see like in the corner it's a little air bubble, so I just have to rub that out. Okay, so that one, that's the bottom screen. They would fit together like so, and that's the camera right there. Well, I got it backwards. That's the camera right there. And I thought that this, well, maybe because, I don't know. I got it on here backwards, y'all. I'm like, why is this round right here? I got the case on here backwards. Such a doofus. Let me flip that thing around. I got it on here all backwards and stuff. Let me turn this off, because I'm not trying to turn it on. Maybe when I put it on right, it won't turn on. Okay. Will it slide in? Oh, let me take it off of here and slide it in. I don't know, it's not wanting to slide in. Okay, there it is. It snapped right in. Y'all heard it snap? And that's how it goes together. That's how it goes right there. I need to put this one in its case. Make sure I'm putting it in there right, because y'all saw I just messed up earlier. Okay, and they both just snap in the case. So with both of them being in the case, this is what it's like. That's what it's looking like right there. Very small. Very small. I can hold it in the palm of my hand, especially if I only have this one. I can hide it in the palm of my hand so that, you know, I can get some good footage. So this is what it's looking like. But yeah, that was the unboxing of the Action 2 and putting on the protective screen protectors or whatever. So I'm gonna end the video right there, and I do have some other accessories that I'm going to be showing you guys in another video, but I appreciate you joining me just to check out this unboxing. I'm not really a tech type person, but once I use it for a little bit, I will come back on and kind of give you guys a review of my thoughts of it and everything. But as far as oh, I guess I could tell you a few features. Okay, so this top case is waterproof. So if you do want to like do some videos underwater, you can put this underwater. I'm not exactly sure how deep you can put it, but I wouldn't go snorkel. I wouldn't go scuba diving or nothing with it. But you know, if you're just in a pool or something like that and you're trying to get some video, you could probably use it. The bottom one is not. The bottom one is basically a screen so that you can see yourself when you're in selfie mode. And it's also a battery. The version that I have is the 128 gigabyte version. So if you have just the top, it can save up to 128 gigabytes of footage. It also has a micro SD slot in the back or the front facing screen, and you can save on that also. And it you choose which one you want it to save on first. And I mean, I'm still learning. I don't know everything about it, but I just really want to get this unboxing done, and I will be doing more videos on it and kind of letting you guys see, you know, everything and letting you know what I think of it. And I appreciate you watching. If you're interested in learning more about this camera, stay tuned, because I will do more videos in the future. And also down below this video, I do have a link. It's my Amazon link. It's an affiliate link. So if you would use my link, it does help me out a little bit so that I can continue posting content here. And I appreciate y'all watching, and I will see you in the next video. But until then, be blessed.